Yes, in a do case in your position, and it's only a stupid man that will give it a political correlation. What am I trying to say? Again, he's somebody that I know very well. I call him my friend, I call him my boss, I call him my leader. He's a man that has a heart of giving, and that does not mean Chakini in Enalan. Chakakini Anana Ishe, Imaki Achun, Umilulelewe mean. I would like a little why. I get him to one. I got him to one again on Moy. Thank God we are lucky. Only elder brother Enemona and Yebe, we have to beg one woman there to leave our car there. It's a that government yes. We do not have any government that can provide road anymore. It's unfortunate. The very pathetic situation we are in today. I have one single message for Abogugo Pate. Who is a known town. I was telling Okai that how can the whole of Pate don't have food? I was talking to him there while we were in the car. But today, we have one of our own. Yacho Bojo. To share in this joy. But I'm an advocate of good governance. Yes. And what government cannot do, if one of us is making that attempt, we should all encourage him. Yes. One thing he needs from you people, I'm about to give with me. Adwa. Yes. Amen. So I feel so I'm not just regret attempt they can make it. And I pray maybe that the state government can come to the aid, and if they don't, God will give you capacity to finish what you have done.
Ate uchiridi ni mtu wa